Course Generator Action Tool. Parsio AI harnesses machine learning to automatically extract structured data from emails, PDFs, Excel sheets, HTML, CSV, and XML files. But that's not all. You can effortlessly export parsed data to Google Sheets, Slack, Notion, Airtable, and 6,000 plus more apps using Zapier and webhooks. Parsio is here to make the future of data handling look a lot brighter. 15. SaneBox AI. SaneBox is here to change the email management game for everyone. If you're drowning in an ocean of emails, desperately trying to find the important ones amongst all the spam and other unimportant messages, consider using this tool. It's been trained to know what's essential to you. This is done by integrating certain algorithms that learn your behavior. It'll organize your inbox, prioritizing the crucial stuff while keeping the less important emails away. I know I am not speaking for myself when I say my inbox is overwhelmed. Let's get it sorted. Number 16. Sembly AI. This intelligent bot is great for tackling everyday tasks and inquiries. From answering questions to providing personalized assistance, Sembly AI will fix it. Using advanced AI tech, it learns your preferences and adapts to your needs, making it an indispensable part of your daily routine. Setting reminders, making appointments, and getting information on the fly has never been as easy. Now let's move forward to number 17. Zendesk AI's AnswerBot. This is a tool that is here to completely transform your customer support resources. Customer inquiries will be handled quickly as this AI-powered bot creates contextual and actually helpful responses. With its natural language processing and machine learning, it matches customer queries with relevant articles from the knowledge base. It even learns from feedback and keeps getting better. Number 18 is Hugging Face AI, a platform packed with powerful NLP models and tools. Now you can integrate transformer-based models like GPT-2 and BERT into your applications pretty darn quick. From text generation to question answering and sentiment analysis, Hugging Face and its user-friendly interface makes it easy. You can also access a bunch of community-contributed datasets. It's a goldmine for researchers and practitioners looking to make groundbreaking strides in the world of NLP. Our second last pick, Articulo AI, a writing tool that'll save you time and effort while producing persuasive articles. Stop staring blankly at your screen, struggling to find the right words. With Articulo, all you need is your desired topic and the AI will handle the rest. Within minutes, you'll get a unique, high-quality article sourced from reliable databases to ensure originality. Whether you're a blogger, content creator, or just someone who loves to write, Articulo will definitely fit you. Finally, our last tool to be mentioned in this video, number 20, Salesforce Einstein GPT that has some futuristic tools. Einstein Analytics lets you visualize data interactively, while Einstein Discovery will give you ML-based predictions. Einstein Vision will let you easily analyze images, and Einstein Voice lets you interact with the platform using natural language. If you feel like CRM and sales software is a struggle, let this tool guide you